And activate broadcast. They're still not doing it. Fucker, man. Sucks. No. Sucks. No. Sucks. No. So we're back to this. All right. Let's see. Ultra low. It's a good stream. You are live. Hey, what's up, brother? How's that? Is that a little bit better? I mean, we could do the live stuff with a little bit of delay. Can you guys see that? That's moving a little bit. Where are we with settings? What does this go up to? Oh, so it does go to 720 too, huh? All right. Is that better? It's still bogging along. I don't know. I guess it is a little better. I mean, like I said, for after hours action, you know, day trading, I'm gonna probably have to stick with the go to meeting. Yeah, it's still slow as shit though. Yeah, I think it's just too much. What's this crap running? All right, let me turn that off. All right. How many? Any better, guys? I'm going to move this thing in and out. I'm moving Tesla in and out. Is it going in and out pretty good? All right, I'm going to flick to the monthly chart. Futures just did a nice pop, did it? I'm not even watching it. I just went to the monthly chart, did a switch. Futures just did a nice pop, really. Oh God, I don't even. You know what? I don't want to watch it. All right, so that's going through. It says the stream is healthy. Even on this, it's got to be just the delay, because even on the Wirecast, it's pretty much in sync. All right, I'm going to switch back to the daily right now. Is it still... How was that? Couple second delay, probably. At least I got the 720 in there. Anything else? All right. So the other thing then is, where's this going? Gosh, what a pain in the ass. You know, nothing's ever easy. You always got to switch shit around, right when you get comfortable with something. It's like, dang. All right, let's see here. All right, so there's my live stream. Hello? Let's see. Yeah, it's still... Hello? It's still getting delayed here. All right, so I got this, though. That's what I wanted to see. Copy. Just want to see if I can get... Yeah, it's still... Hello? It's still getting delayed here. All right, so I got this, though. That's what... Hello? It's still getting... Yeah, it's still getting delayed. Yeah, no, it's working. Yeah, it's working. A little bit delayed, but for after hours action, not bad. I want to see one more thing here. After hours action, not bad. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's not terrible. Yeah, now my stream health just went down again. Gosh, it's been that Cox cable. Freaking sucking ass, let me tell you. Got the fastest speed they can produce, and it still doesn't work. And we just got a new modem and everything. It's incredible. But no, I haven't posted anything or did anything on this. You guys want to look at anything? You want me to look at anything, Ashton? God, what an ass kicking. If we go down more tomorrow, let's see. I don't even have my other stuff open. I just have the charts open right now. China sets the yen, midpoint is stronger than 7 per dollar. Where's the... Oh yeah, 164. Look at that. Hey, if we get a nice little pop, I'll take it tomorrow. I want this thing to move up so we can reshort this bitch and ride it down again. I wish we would have put lotto puts on Friday. Oh my gosh, that would have been sweet. But hey, we're short shares, so you know we're gonna be riding those things down. Yeah, but my stream health. It was green. Now it's a little bit that. Me too. Yeah. How about it? I mean, if you're looking at this, the SPY. You know, I would love a retrace. Let's fill this gap or get back into 300 and then boom, right back down. You know what I'm looking at on this, guys. You know, we went over this. Watch the nightly video. You know what I'm looking for on this one. And let's see. Let's go to the, since we're SPX, let's look at the SPX. It's for futures action. But yeah, I mean, we're looking great support down here. Gap fills, gap fill. Tough bot pivot here before we went up. And just chopping around. 288, 2831 with some good support with the 150 moving average. We still have the gap fill here. We still have a key trend line too. So if this thing comes back down, that's something to watch for too, around 2759. But 2790 has some good support as well as 2800, so that's something to watch. And if we do move down tomorrow, watch this area. If that cracks, watch the 2800 in this area. Yeah, big pop. Yeah, is it still going? I don't have my futures up right now. So this is working all right then for after hours action. Hey, stream is healthy again. Yeah, I got to see what the hell. I'm not even on Wi-Fi, guys. I'm tied into a hub or a router, whatever the hell they are. So I got some like a gigabyte or whatever the hell it is for the Cox. Whatever the fastest one they offer, that's what I have, and it's still shit. Ah, it went offline. Oh no, there it goes. Seriously? Now it's cutting in and out? What a shit bag. Is it still going? Stream resumed. Well, at least if it goes off and comes back on. Stop the kids from playing. Yeah, I know. No, you know what? I don't even know. They go to school tomorrow, so I don't even know. Video output low. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. Jeez. Yeah, this isn't gonna work for me. Yeah, this is like a trial. Try it out for a month. It's like, oh yeah, working good. I think it just cut out again. Oh my gosh. Well, we do have bad weather here. Can you guys even hear me still? I got stream health in the red. I got video output low. Oh my god. It's all seems fine to me. Okay. I don't know. That's what I'm getting over here. I like GoToMeeting. I'm gonna have to figure something out with that. But anyways, guys, if you want me to look at something, pop something in and throw in a symbol. Let's go over a couple things. Let's see if this will get any better for us. For I think it's going a little slow here. Ah, that sucks. I'm trying to think. Do I have anything? I don't have anything else really open, so everything else can hear. Yeah, the voice I'm sure, but it's really about the streaming. Okay, so my live stream went back. Can you see my video and all that crap? It's not even showing my little. Oh, you know why? Because I'm streaming from another thing here. BBBY. Ooh, nice little bottoming tail. Huh. If the markets go up, this could possibly go up. If you went long in this one, 850, 841, the low. If it continues lower, you might have to get the hell out. Monthly, let's see where we're at there. Is it double? Wow, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Had those lines in there too. We looked at this one before, 893. You know what? That one might be a good one there. For maybe a bottom feeder play? Maybe. Look at that. This was a head and shoulder top too. Look at this. Head and shoulder. That was the price target. Hit it and kept going. Not bad for a bottom feeder play, guys. Call that's a nice one. Yeah, I mean, if you're in it, hold strong. But honestly, it could go a little bit lower. The markets it could go to 5. At 5, I'll be a buyer of BBY. What an ass kicking though. Look at that. They got people in here 3 times and they shook their ass out. When is that company going to 0? Nah, you know, it has good support. Maybe not. Maybe a buyout or something. I don't go there, so I have no idea. But man, what an ass kicking. But yeah, I wouldn't rule $5 out if it doesn't hold this pivot here. So look, pivot up, and then took off, came back, and then off to the races. That should have never have happened. That's the Federal Reserve inducing POMO, permanent open market operation, and well, what the hell did what do we call it? We had a word for it, but shorting that to zero. Yeah, no, you should have been. We were short up here. We caught all these three. I remember this one. And it was like, holy shit, it's a head and shoulder top. And then it broke down like no tomorrow. Damn, that's a short up in here. But you want something to short shop. Short TTD. You want to ride these bitches down? Ride these bitches down. TTD. What was some other ones? Was Team still up there? Team, short Team. Workday. Short work. Well, Workday's coming in pretty good, but yeah, I mean, still, all stretch charts. I mean, these markets keep coming down, guys. These are going to come down like a brick. When they do, it's going to be just extra payday. That's for me. I put these on. I go smaller positions. I ride them. I add, and then it just wait, and then they just frickin' fall like bricks, just like AAOI. That was a disaster. OSTK. OSTK, if I could get these right in here. OSTK, another brick. Tree was an excellent trade. Look at that one. I mean, we had a tough time with it here. And finally came. It took, went up another 2 months, 3 months on us. Took 3-4 months to get back down. But look at that. Beauty. And then went even lower. And then right back up where guys double top a little bit higher. Lights out again. Let's see here. Give me 5, BBY. Nike. Yeah, Nike just keeps holding too, which I am surprised with that. But it's coming down. Just needs some blood in the water from the SPY. Hey, what's up, Gary? It just, yeah, it will come in. Give it time. We're almost there at target. So next one will be, we'll go to the weekly. Remember, 200 MA. It's about $65 when it's all said and done. Markets are dumping. This one could go here, right back to these lows around 50. Because honestly, I don't think this move should have ever happened. A lot of these stocks, this move should have never have happened. And then you just see stocks just like, wow. This is when they had all the stuff with Kaepernick and, oh my gosh, don't buy Nike. And it just keeps going. It's like, yeah, whatever. And then all of a sudden, China trade, tariffs. Their gym shoes are costing $700, they're saying, or something like that. Now, they're a little exaggeration, but yeah, just ridiculous, guys. Just ridiculous. Yeah, but no, coming down. This is your big pivot, 77.17. That starts to go. Let's push this up. I just want to see what these guys here. Yeah, right there about 72.29. And of course, I love this double bottom here. Yeah, Nike got me too, but it's coming back down. Don't a lot of these they shouldn't. Oh gosh. I mean, going back to the SPX, guys. Where is it? And I show my members this stuff too. I mean, this is big. I mean, this is the big channel. Look at that, right back to the top again. Lights out, right back here. And if this plays out like we think it's going to, guys, we're going to be down here again. Maybe lower. I still think we're going lower, but one step at a time. We still have a big gap fill down in here. Look at that gap fill sticking out. It's like, come on, you can do it. And if you go back further, though, I mean, this is so ridiculous, guys. And I got to show that. I'm going to show this every video I make, especially when I do the live sessions. I'm going to start out with this one. So that was the .com bust, housing bust, and this is where we're at right now. This is highway robbery. It really is. I mean, this is just going to be a train wreck. This is Federal Reserve stimulus, guys. That's nothing else. And then this last rally from December 3rd all the way down, all the way up on basically nothing. This is so stupid. Excuse me. Yeah, Gary, that's fine though. Just remember, smaller positions, bud. You'll get there. You'll get there. It takes some ass kickings, but then when these all come down, you get a couple. We bleed all the way for another month or two. I'm telling you, all these things are going to be coming down. It's going to be timber, and everyone's going to be like, That didn't make sense. That doesn't, because everyone's buying shop, because they're already starting to compare it to Amazon. It's could be better than Amazon. And then people start thinking, oh, Amazon's at 2,000, shop's only at 330. And then all of a sudden shop's at $50 and everyone's like, huh, that didn't make any sense. That, wow. But they said, on CNBC, they upgraded it. It's just like, guys, look at this. This is freaking fantasy land. I don't know. I talk to a lot of business people out here in Phoenix, and I always ask them, I say, all right, if you, have a feel about, the economy and how it's doing since, the 2008, how much better do you think it really is? Well, no, it's going pretty good. The jobless claims, this and that. Okay, from a SPY or S&P point of view, how much higher from this point in 2008 should it be? And most people will be like, here, I'll hide this too. I'll be like, so, if this was the high and you feel, you're a businessman, what do you think? Well, I don't know, maybe up in here. I mean, we all know the numbers. We know the S&P if you're a trader. But your normal person doesn't realize we're at 3,000 or 2,800 or whatever, all right? So I'm like, and they'll be like, I don't know. I mean, it's pretty good. So I would probably say up in here somewhere. I'm like, really? Okay. Now, let me pull it away. And then they're like, wow, really? So that's what you meant by Federal Reserve pumping the hell out of this market. And now I think we're finding a top, guys. This is some shady business up here right now. I think a lot of the big boys are distributing up here. And they've been doing it for a while. You can't do it all at once, guys. Then this will happen. I mean, you see what happened in 2 weeks. Or in 1 week. We have 1 day into this. We could be right down here by Friday. Or maybe we go right back up. Who knows? If we do, come on, baby. Right back up. Give it to us. And then we'll reload up here and do it again. I don't care. We rinse and repeat over and over and over. You guys see that. With my position sheet, what we do, like Alta, we got in, got out, got in, we're out. That's it. Fell off a little bit more today, get out. Or yesterday, whatever it was. Or actually, yesterday was Sunday. But time's flying. But Nike, yep. Shorting that to zero. Yeah, Apple, everything's a market trade right now, guys. Everything's a market trade. So we're going up into this area. I mean, we shorted here. Boom, got our money, got out. Gosh, we should have saved a little bit more. But with the over the weekend news, at this point, who knows what they're going to give us? And we always laugh at StockBookie. You're going to wake up one day, you're going to pull the rug, we're going to be tanking. And that's exactly what they did today. And that's why, it goes up, 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 up. Everyone's like, oh, this is so great. Oh, my gosh. New 52-week highs or whatever, and next thing you know, they're pulling the rug. It's like, damn. And some people are so complacent. Oh, just buy the dip. Who cares? Next thing you know, oh, just buy the dip. Who cares? Next thing you know, it's Tesla, where it's just 180 and it's getting killed. But for Apple, yeah, just be careful. If you're trying to go long, the market's going to have to go up. If you're trying to go short, then the markets have to continue going lower. A lot of news out there. So at this point, any direction. It's coming in some pretty good support down in here. But you still have to watch out, though. Stuff like that. So, let's see. Yeah, nothing. I mean, if you're not long or short, really nothing to do. We were short. We wrote it down. We already covered. We covered here. Damn, that dropped another, $10 today? Damn. I mean, we had a pretty good trade from 217. Start, pulling the last off around 203. Good enough for me, guys. I'm in and out. Yeah, shorted 220 and covered too early. Yeah, you know what? Who cares? 220 here. Boom, done. Did we ever see that coming? Shit. That's why, for us at least, are you a member, Cal? I don't know if you're a member, but we're short shares all the indexes right now, and we're getting paid, and we're going to hold them until we do get paid. Even if we go up and down, chop around, we still have time. I don't take margin. It's all cash positions, and they're smaller. They're usually 10% or under. And right now, the indexes, I'm way under 10%, all right? And I'm willing to add, but at least I have some skin in the game, so tomorrow it's another train wreck. Great. We'll pull some more shorts off. We pulled like 10 trades off today, guys. All short. We took off Autodesk. And these were going up. These were tough. These are tough trades. But, you go up, you come in, you go up, and boom, down. I'm out. I'm not going to mess around. And this is another one that's stretched to the hills. So if you're not short Autodesk, a little bit tougher now. Let's see if we could get a retrace up, and we'll do it again. Look at this. This thing goes 180. We're almost at 140. We hit 140 today. A 40-point pullback on a 180 stock. That's a hell of a pullback. I'm out. I traded it here. I probably traded it here. Wherever it was going up, I was shorting it and getting it out, getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. And that's it. That's what I do. I'm in and out. And then lately, I've been doing a shitload of intraday stuff, guys. If you're members, you know what I've been doing. And all those trades, we have 60-plus winners, short puts, short calls, puts, whatever. Swing trades, shorting apples, shorting this one. We did LMT short. Doesn't matter. In and out, in and out. All those trades add up. Then these high flyers, like Autodesk, that's just a bonus trade. That's one we had set. Let's see if it comes back. Spy dumps, they're all coming in. And here they all come, guys. Pulled off some an Anthem today. Pulled off a bunch of trades. But that's what we're doing here. You know, and then Ashton MCD. Sorry about that, bud. Yeah, that's another one. Another flipping turd. McDonald's, guys. 2017. Or at the beginning. We're at $100 stock. It doubled. McDonald's. I mean, come on. Look at that move. That's out of control. For years, guys, years. It's just a growth stock. Nothing special. Gets some moves up here, pulls back, comes back in, and then, guys, this was $11 stock when even if we didn't correct, guys, it was a $48 stock going to $210. It's not that good, guys. Not that good. I got a 9 to 5, haha. So I need to set my executes before I leave work. Oh my gosh, seriously? I don't know how you do that. That's tough business there, brother. All right, let me see here. So it looks like everything's going okay. Nothing special. It looks like everything. Oh yeah, look at that. It seems like it's kind of mellowed out. Is everything all right, guys? I'm gonna go to the daily right now and McDonald's. Did it click over pretty good? Gosh, maybe it just needed to get out the kinks. First time going. And hey, what's up, Jonathan? How's it going, brother? NBEV. I'll take a look at that. NBEV. Ooh, look at that ugly thing. Yeah, not bad. So, you must have gave me this one before. But yeah, coming in good support, 336, 303. I mean, if that doesn't hold, it's kind of ugly. Below the moving averages, really bleeding, but good support here. If this doesn't hold, step out of the way. It's going lower. But if this holds, it should, first step above the MAs and then pop. If it pops, you get the 8 again. This pivot, you get up to here, you get out. Okay, even if you get to $5, $6, get out. Good long time, yeah. Glad to see you live streams. Yeah, we've been kicking ass, Jonathan. Holy shit. We've been rolling these markets pretty good lately. Unbelievable. But yeah, watch out for this one. Yeah, it's a bottom. I mean, if you're trying to go long, I mean, damn, you're getting killed. But this was the spot. If that cracks, $3 go, I'd step aside or play it like a option. Do $1,000 in it or so if that's what you can lose and buy in hope. I don't know what they do or anything. But if it starts moving up, gets above the MAs, hey, ride it up, get the hell out. Let's see here. Yeah, so everything's working, so that's good. All right, let me try this. Get some more people in here, see if we can do this. Hold on, guys, give me a second. I'm gonna put something out on StockTwits. This was just going to be a test. Now I got some people in here, so hey, I'll stick around a little bit. Spy. We'll put Apple. And we'll put, what else? What else is getting their ass just kicked today? I don't know. Let's go Amazon. Well, we'll keep it there. Live stream and session. Come join. Hey, at least I got this going now. Probably get some people in here tonight if I could flip and type. But we'll go through some charts real quick. My kids are home. They're all screaming in the background. School starts tomorrow, so everyone's excited. So if someone sounds like they're dying in the background, it's only my kids. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Session. Come join the fun. Bring a symbol. Can you hear the typing now? Is it all in sync? All right, let's see if I get in trouble because I put some tickers in there. Every time I put a ticker, everyone's freaking out. Oh, I should have put the SPX in there and stuff. Oh, and Disney. All right, hold on here. Let's get this going. Let's see how many people it brings in here. Good car. All right, bullish on not having kids. Hey, what's up, Finra? What's up, brother? Silver at gold. All right, here we go. Oh, you guys are coming in now. No, I only got 13 people. But like I said, this was just a test, so I didn't post anything anywhere. Oh, you know what? Here, I got to do one more, guys. At least for my members. I didn't even want to do anything. So, hold on. All right, I'm almost over here, but I got to eat dinner and stuff. All right, so let's see. Let's take a quick look. Let's go to Disney. Yeah, it looks like it's all smoothing out, though. See, my stream health is down again. How can it be when you have a gigabyte thing going and you got everything with the, you know, whatever they tell you to buy, the best stuff? I have a killer computer here, and it's all tethered in. I got the whatever the 1000 whatever the hell it is, the upgraded router and all that crap, and it's still freaking slow. It's unbelievable. All right, let's see. Disney. Yeah, look at that. And Disney was another one. Just go up and up and up and up and up. This gap up here with all this bullshit? No way. This thing's going to be about $117 stock eventually. And we're going to get paid again. Right here. Yeah, 108. It's going right down there. That bullshit right there. Here's your first thing, and then your second one's going to be about 108. And if these markets give it completely up, it's going to 100, maybe lower. All right, let's look at the weekly. Yeah, 108. That's your area. So if you're short up in here, you're fine. Even if you're short from 130, you're fine. A little bit upside down. But remember, stocks that go up like this, guys, we're not loading the boat. No margin, just small positions. Just have something, excuse me, in there. Even if you have a $10,000 position, you know, $20,000. Some 10, 20%, boom, you're making 500 or a grand. Get out. All right. But yeah, this one's ready to roll. It's getting there. This one was a tough one. Look at that. Just chopping and chopping and chopping. Oh, just throw out some more double upgrades and give it a higher price target, you know, and maybe a buyback. Like Google. They have for their earnings, they do a $25 billion buyback. They're like, ha! And look at that thing tanking now. 41 bucks down. Oh gosh, here we go. Stream health going down. I done nothing. No, and I know my kids aren't doing anything. Well, they're going to school tomorrow, so no one's going to be here. We'll see how this thing rolls. So Disney, yeah, hold on to it if you're short. If you're long, I mean, just trail that stop. Ride it up a little more if it does. If not, markets keep selling. This thing's going to 130, 125, 120, and next thing you know, you're going to be like, damn, what the hell happened? You know, for the guys who don't look at their shit every night. That's what usually happens. Next thing you know, the thing's tanking, and you're just like, wow, it's right there. What happened? It's Disney. All right, SQ. Same thing. Weekly chart. Down, sideways, just chopping around. Made a low, higher low here. You have a great trend line. Markets still sell, though. This thing's going lower. Right now, we're $2.46 down. If the markets stay down, this will probably gap and keep going. This was another one. High flyer. Just kept going and going, and everyone's like, oh, but it's square. They said. And look at that. $100 was the area, guys. $100 even number. You couldn't ask for a better short than that. Straight down, where did it go, guys? 20 MA. Say it all the time. You guys, everyone laughs at me. Man, there goes Bookie again with that 20 MA. Look at that. Took 3 months. Right where'd it go? 20 MA. What was it? Stretch to the hill. Straight back down. Straight back up. Where does it go? 618. Straight back down where? 20 MA. Straight back up where? 618. If it can't get above that 182 area, it's not going anywhere. Straight back down. Market stump, it's going lower. So again, if you had this trade down here and you weren't taking profits up there, that's not good. You know? Excuse me. But yeah, that's pretty brutal stuff. So right now, it's down sideways. Just I wouldn't touch anything right now. Markets are selling and a lot of crap coming out. You know, last week everything was great. Now it's just like, bam. Markets in turmoil tonight at 7. And I think they brought Buffett out today, too. I don't know if one of my friends were kidding or not, but he said they brought him out on YouTube or on CNBC. Becky. Right? Becky, come sit on my lap. Right? Do my interview because I'm only going to do it with you till the day I die. So kind of creepy if you ask me, but what are you going to do? Hold on here. But SQ, good support. If it breaks, look out below. Then we'll be looking for areas. You know, don't when shit's hitting the fan and all these are bombing, throw out some symbols, guys. I'll look for some support for everybody, and we'll find some trades. But again, you can't go long in this trade if the market's down 700 tomorrow. Some stocks will be up. That's just the nature of the beast, but most of them will be down. Disney, SQ, GME. Yeah, I'm going to cut you guys off to one symbol a person. Uh-oh, another bottom feeder. Ooh, that's not a bad one, guys. Huh. I'm writing this one down. I'm talking to some credit card. I get these credit card companies that call me all the time. The new scam is in for you guys too. Hi, this is Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. We can lower your payments. And then it clicks over to a guy from India or wherever they're at trying to scam you. Sir, can we have the one credit card with the 4 in front of it? First number? Oh, you don't have one with that? What about 3? I'm like, oh yeah, the 3. I got that one. And then I keep them on the phone for about a half hour. Wasting my time. I said, yeah, I think so too. Good thing, because you're scamming me and or trying to scam me. It'll give you less time to scam the old lady who has nothing better. But the GME guys, wow, nice one. I'm going to put bottom feeder. I'm going to keep that one on the radar. I might even take a position. I like that. They might go out of business, but so keep it small. But yeah, wow, look at that. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I don't know. That's a tough one, even at the double bottom there. But yeah, if you want to take it as an option play it like it's going to 0. I wouldn't short it down here, but maybe for a small bounce. If it bounces, then maybe short it. But yeah, down here, I mean, great area for a bounce. I just don't know if it's going to get it. It's just beat down. And really everything's downloaded. The games are kind of going by the wayside. And it's just, I mean, it used to be, look at that double, look at that. Look at that retrace, guys, right to here. And then they just frickin' took them out. Got you know how many people bought here? Smart money took it. They're like, I'm back to break even from back here. I'm out. Went back one more time, get more suckers on. Came back, retraced it again. Oh, it's GameStop. And then that was it. So just be careful with this one. If you have to do it, here's your place. I mean, it could go to 0, but that's your place. Yeah, bye-bye GameStop. Yeah, totally. Wow. I mean, you could probably play it for a quick bounce, but for me, I wouldn't touch it. But that's not a bad area. Hey, what's up, James? How's it going, bud? Let's go AMD. AMD coming back. We talk about this area right here. Double top, 34, right back up, 30. It's still the same area, guys, doing the same thing. All these stocks like to retrace, and then they come right back in. Look at that. Down, sideways. That's a freaking beautiful setup. You got to short somewhere up here. All right, comes back down. We're at 27. Next thing you know, you're at 16 again. This price target on here right now is around 14. It's going to take a little bit. It's AMD. But next thing you know, they pull the rug on everything. SPY goes down. IWM, it's all going down, guys. Bottom line. But yeah, not bad. If you were long from down in here, you should be taking profits. If you're short from up in here, hey, good. Keep holding. Let's see what we can get. We're back below this 28 and 49 area, which is a pretty big area here. We'll see how it holds or what it does in the next couple of days. It's really an overall market trade with the SPY, IWM, and everything else. So that's something you got to watch. Hold on a second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Can you hear me now? Yeah, okay, that's a little better. But, yeah, you get a sell bar like that, guys, and then you get a gap down, that's usually going to lead to lower prices. So we'll see on AMD. Let's give it some time. It's just another one, though. They hype it, and they hype it, and they hype it, and it's just like, geez. I mean, this move here is just stupid. And then look at that, it brought it right back down. Held this area, though, and then right back up. And I wouldn't doubt they bring it right back down. So if you're long, tighten the stop. If you're short, see what we can get on this one. Netflix came into real good support today. I like the setup, but man, with the markets down, I think we're going to get wrenched on tomorrow a little bit. We still have a gap fill, and that's another reason why I like this, because we have the gap fill right below it. So you members, you know what's going on here. A lot of support in this area. I mean, if it breaks down, then hey, can't help it, guys. And most likely you're going to 265 down in this area somewhere. And but if it holds this, markets get a rip roaring up move because just because China trade deals really close again, these can move up really good. Probably give it. I got to see tomorrow's and Wednesday's action. We've had some really, really good selling in the Spider and the IWM and all that. So we just got to see what happens in the next couple of days first before we make some bigger decisions here on the markets and which way we want to go with this, with taking trades right now. We are positioned short. We pulled off a bunch today, but still positioned short with shares mostly. All right. We have a couple call positions. We got beat up today. Just taking some counter trend trades, guys. Couple $100 in some calls. It wasn't a big deal, but it was worth a shot just in case that news came out. But we're still short shares to the indexes, so we're getting paid regardless. And again, we pulled off about 10 or 12 trades, some half positions, some full positions, just saying, you know what, I'm done, taking the money and running. So Netflix, though, good area for a bounce, but man, it's really up to the markets tomorrow. Markets dump, it's going lower. So if you're trying to go counter trend and buy the upside, just go small positions, guys. Something you're willing to risk that you're willing to lose. So if you're willing to lose at $500, then go 5. If you can't do that, then go 100. If you can't do that, then just sit there on your hands. All right. If you have a bigger account, then you can take a little more risk. We've been kicking ass here at StockBookie for about a month and a half, guys. Since I got back from vacation, we've been just tearing this market up. Puts, short puts, calls, short calls. That's it. Some swing trades here and there. But for the most part, my gosh, our intraday action's been phenomenal. All right, let's see here. AMD, Netflix, silver, and gold. Silver I do not follow, but I do follow the gold, so we'll go over that. This is something I talk to my traders every day about, gold in the USO. We've been in this one since 111.80. We're about to shave some more off. We're coming into some big areas here, guys. So if you are long this one with us, then this is exactly what you want to see. You want to see it over this pivot. We get over that and keep coming. We have a gap fill right here, 139.81, and then we have the gap fill around 144. I still think we get here, and I still think we could get to this 150 area or these low pivots. But we're going to see. We're going to see how these markets react. I took off most of my positions, still have a decent-sized position, but holding strong here. I wouldn't chase it up here. I'd rather wait for a pullback and then get interested again. That's why I'm taking profits right now. If we get the good pullback down to 120 again, I'm loading up again. All right, and I'm almost, if we get to some certain areas, I'm almost tempted to short this one too, because this is getting to those areas where we could possibly short this. So we'll be, maybe I'll throw some puts on there to hedge. Just in case we get that quick 3-bar pullback to a good support, we'll get paid on those still. So that's something I'm going to think about. But right now, gold's fine. Got a little bit of a doji on the weekly right now. We got to see what the weekly close brings us. Let's go back to the daily. Daily, same thing too. We got a little bit of a doji. So that could be a reversal signal. But we did get back above that significant pivot here. So either it's going to gap. Wow, it's up 180. So maybe it's not going to gap down. So maybe this one goes to 140 tomorrow. So keep an eye on this. For me, I'm long. I want this thing to go to 800. Not that it is, but we'll have to see what happens. Bullish not having kids. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, thanks on that. I have kids already, so thanks. Good cover up. Yep. ABC, I've been playing all the weed stocks. Have you? I'm waiting for them to come down. And then I'm going to buy. Is this one too? Yeah, this came down real nice. I don't know which one this is. Let's see. Look at that though. Gosh, 120 come back down. Yeah. I mean, they're real choppy. I mean, these you get some money, get in, get out. I'm waiting on Tilray again. Then I might get into this one. I mean, that's looking good. And it didn't really, I mean, it was down today, but nothing big. And then, of course, the CGC. So that one's at 31. I mean, I'm just kind of waiting patient on those. But, yeah, that's funny, though. Yeah, the ABC. Uncle Jerome called up your ISP, too. Yeah, Sabotage, yeah. Yeah, he's live again. The Lion King came out, yeah. Disney, oh, is it tomorrow? Okay, we'll see. They might have good earnings, but, at the end of the day, they're just going to get dragged down if the market keeps coming down. That's the big one. Gold is overbought, small position. Yeah, a little bit. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But if the markets keep going like this, gold's going to keep going. So 144 is going to fill that gap. At that gap, I will be going short. Maybe. We got to see how it goes. Oh, ACB? ACB. Yeah, they're all coming down. So let them come down. Let them keep, markets keep dragging. Let them come down. We'll get some good entry prices on all these, and we'll rock and roll this thing. Hey, what's up, Eric? How's it going, brother? Nope, I go over Tesla. I started with it earlier. I've had some issues. First time doing the stream with, what's it called? Wirecast. Works pretty. I guess you could do it on, yeah, my members. Twitter. I could do live streams on Twitter with this, I guess. So I'm going to try to figure that one out, too. So I could just pop in live and we go. And that will be private ones for you. So the GoToMeeting, we're going to have to see. I still have that. I'm only paying a monthly right now. Because I asked all my members about different streams. I got a bunch of different answers, but now YouTube likes to use this one, and I do like the live YouTube streams. I have a lot of most of my subscribers on there, so we'll see. Trying to make everyone happy. The story of my life. Disney, gold overbought. Did Tesla? Nope. We'll go through Tesla. Tesla, everyone's favorite. We knocked that one out of the park, though, guys. Hit the 180. We called 180. Look at that. You can't even get a better trade than that. Right back up. Then we called 260 too. If we can't get above 260, earnings 50-50 shot, never made it, right back down. Look at that. Those $6, $5 down. Markets still sell. We're going right back to 180. Markets continue to sell. I'm telling you guys, Tesla's going to this pivot right here, 117. 117 and then 141. Somewhere in there if the markets continue to sell. And if the 180 area breaks. Okay, I mean, if it comes down here, I might actually buy some calls again, but we'll see. I mean, it's Tesla. You got to buy, But no, nothing to do with anything right now, especially long. Let's see what these markets do when they settle in. I mean, it's down sideways, just chopping around. Couldn't get back above the 20, right back to the 50. Still below the 200 and 150. Still weak, I mean, they brought it up. Why did it go up? Because the whole everything went up. SPY went up since June 1st, guys. What did everything else do? Go up. Some stocks went down, but those were the turds. But for the most part, everything went up, period. That's it, bottom line. QCOM. QCOM, they had earnings, I believe. Yeah, just not good. I mean, look at this thing. Pop, dry. I think they had news, and they dropped, and they brought it back up. Retrace here. Bet you let me just take all this off. Retrace is probably the 618, and that's the big retrace. There you go, 618. Right to the T. Then you had a gap fill, another pivot up here, or another pivot here, 750. Look at that, touch it, boom, touch it, bam, going down. You got some gaps, but again, market sell. It's going right there. There's your big point. If you're trying to go long on this one, here's your area, 64.80. If that gives out, then you're going to have to just step aside because this gap fill's coming up real quick, 55.89. Especially this. I mean, you get a retrace and now it's starting to drip. That's usually a bad sign. But we'll see. Markets rip, then it could go higher. Markets dump, then it's going lower. That's the big part of every trade you're doing now. If you're trying to go long the markets and the SPY's dumping like we did today, it's going to be tough, guys. Don't fight it. I mean, you could pick on the high flyers like I do all the time. Because I could be, why are you fighting Shop? Why are you fighting TDD? Why are you fighting Roku? Why are you fighting this one? I say, well, I'm not fighting it. I have small positions, going slow and steady. Nothing serious. Positions where it's kind of like, all right, tuck those aside. Let's focus on these now. Oh, wait, those are coming in too now. Wow, all right, let's start taking them off. Stuff like that, so. All right, Tesla, yeah. So Tesla, that's what we got to watch for. And QCOM, yeah, that's right here. That's your big area. Let's see on the weekly. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at these moves. Up, down, up. Gosh, this is going right back down, guys. Just be careful if you're long this one, QCOM. Dollar Tree, DLTR. Yeah, same shit. Comes back, retraces, comes back, goes up, comes back. It's just another whippy seesaw action, whipping every up and down, and then double top and just takes everyone out. They suck everyone in here, brings it down. Suck everyone in here, bring it down. Suck it in here, and this time I think they might bring it down. So if you're long this one, be careful. If you're short, ride it, and let's see if we get down to $80 or so. And if that gives out, you're going right to frickin' 70, maybe even lower. Just be careful in this one. Be careful in anything long. Unless we go up. We start going up, hey, ride them. Ride them, cowboy. But if this market goes up, we're going to frickin' short this thing. That's not too bad, guys. A little bit of head and shoulder, maybe. If it comes down here and breaks. That will be an interesting one. So, yeah, Dollar Tree. Keep an eye on this one. Looking a little bit weak. Markets go up, it might grind. Markets go down, it's going to go down like no tomorrow. They all are, guys. You're going to wake up and be like, damn, when did that one get that low? You know? And I wish we would have held Goldman and Apple and Google L. But these markets, guys, we're in and out. Take the money and run. Not going to screw around anymore. Let's see. Hey, what's up, Blake? Hey, Bookie. Don't know if you went over it, but it's consensus on Apple right now. Blake, for you, buddy. I'll do it for you. I'd do it for you, man. Yeah. So let's go through it. Yeah, Blake's a member. We've been kicking ass, huh, Blake, on the intraday shit. Oh man, it feels like the old days when I first started doing this about 12 years ago. Oh my God, the guys who were training me, they were like, "Holy shit, dude, you are an animal out there." And Blake can contest to that. And what else? Yeah, how about those calls today? That's gonna suck ass for us. But hey, what can you do? We almost got the second one we took. Almost made it. But remember, you know what to do, Blake. If you're taking those counter trend trades, small. And if you can't handle losses, don't do them. They're just, but if you hit them, oh my gosh, unbelievable. But remember, we're short shares, so I don't give a shit what we're doing. If I don't do anything for the next week, I'm short shares heavy. So, all right. So Apple though, just not bad. Had earnings, nice fade. It's just going with the markets. Markets start staying green and go up. We're going right back up. Markets continue to go down. It's really around 186, maybe this gap, but you got another gap and really double bottom at 170. And this one could be a left shoulder head, a little bit ugly head. Comes back down, goes back up, but we're going to have to see. Right now, it's a market trade. We got to watch the SPY. SPY keeps selling. We'll keep going lower. You just got to wait for lower prices. Markets, all right, so say, here's a scenario. This one's bleeding. SPY starts moving up. This one keeps moving down. SPY keeps moving up. This one hits key areas. SPY's been moving up for 4 days. Apple's been going down for 3 days. Time to buy Apple. Because now the market's been leading. Apple's been diving. Eventually, it's going to take a turn because probably just shaking people out is trying to go long. You know how the markets are. You go long, and then they just drop it in your face for 4 days. But yeah, the SPY goes up for 4 days, and Apple kind of stalls out. SPY goes up another 4 days. This will follow. SPY keeps going down. This will keep going down. Bottom line. So be careful. Tighten the stops if you're trying to go long. And if you're trying to go long or any direction, just go light right now. That's it. Keep the positions under 5. If you're doing options, keep those positions under percentage of your 1% of your total portfolio. If you have a $100,000 portfolio, you should be in no more than $1,000, maybe 500 at the most, maybe even less. If you can't take a loss, if you don't hate taking losses, just kind of sit back, enjoy the ride, take some of these swing trades, the shops and stuff like that. Yeah, so Blake, yeah, just be careful. Damn, I wish we would have held that a little bit longer. But I thought, we came in at this gap fill, 382 retrace, thought for sure a bounce, just couldn't get it. And then the market's dumped like no tomorrow today, and everybody ran. Just a dump fest. I mean, some stocks were. Roku was green. It's like, really? So someone was holding that shit box up. Let's put it that way. But yeah, that was flipping nuts. Oh yeah, Chris, yeah, you're in the room. You've seen what we've been doing. Shorting puts. How about that trade, guys? Short puts. Every flipping day, except for today and the other couple days. But how many times we have had that short puts trade, guys, for winners? All right, so EN, or IN, whatever. Let's see, IAN. Is there a different symbol in that one, brother? That might be a different. That might be a. I might not get that one. Might be a Canadian stock. I don't get it. IAN. Put another symbol if that's not the right one. 6 earnings report. ZTS. I don't know what that is. ZTS. Let's take a look. ZTS. Coming in. Look at that. This is the high flyer. Oh yeah, look at that. Interesting. Yeah, earnings August. So tomorrow, huh? If this thing's I'm gonna put that one on. If this thing pops, guys, short it. Don't go heavy. 5% position at the most right now. All right, and I'd keep it small. ER August 6th. Nice. Ooh, that's a good one. That could be a good one. If this one pops, or if you want to get interested, just put a little out there. If it pops, add more. But yeah, that's a great chart. I mean, this is another one. Up. Next thing you know, they pull the rug and it's a $60 stock again. And everyone's like, whoa. Guys, just like NVIDIA. Same shit. Remember, stock of the year? Can never go down. Up, oh my God. Oh my God. It's at 300. I'm rich. And then rug pull. Back to 125. Look, it's coming right back down, guys. Got everyone in. It's got to go back to 300. They just upgraded it to 325. Right? And then boom, rug pull. Markets keep going lower. This cracks 133, guys. I'm going to be buying Nvidia right around 94 bucks. 100 bucks. And hey, we'll ride it up. But no position. I got stuck in this one too. They railed me. And finally I added more, got the position up, lights out, got out, made some money. And yeah, some of them are painful, but right size positions, that's the name of the trading game. Can you do FICO? Sure. FICO. What's up, Damien? How's it going, dude? Excuse me. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, I think, did you throw something? I think someone sent me something on this one. I think you probably did. Yeah, I mean, it's coming back. I mean, you're at 370, 360. You already got a pretty nice pullback going on. But honestly, at the end of the day, 231's the number. And if that keeps going, then you're looking at 165 or this double pivot here. Yeah, that's another. Should have never done that. Oh my gosh, they just squeezed the shit out of everybody. The reason why these run, guys, because of SPY, the big ones like Amazon, Google, Apple, they're all at highs. Money managers need to get in other stocks to get these runs like this. So they get in these things, they hype the shit out of them. They run. Money managers are distributing. The little guy finally gets a hold of this and goes, wow, look at this one. Oh my gosh. And that's the day on CNBC they give it a, $700 price target. And that guy gets in and they drop, they pull the rug and drop it to the floor. 240 is really a good number though right here if it comes back down. But first one will be the 200 MA, 252, and then this little pivot. And if it keeps going, guys, it's going right down to 170. But yeah, that's not a bad one either. Shit, I don't even know what this is. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, that's prime time for a drop. But let's see if it doesn't have earnings yet, let's see if we get the retrace and then short it. But my gosh, I do like that one. Keep an eye on this one, guy. I'm going to write that one down. Just keep an eye. I'm going to write the price down too. So I write these down because I want to see what this thing is at 2 months from now. So right now we're at the close 338.65. I take notes, guys. I keep a journal. I keep all that crap. I want to know what I'm getting in or what I'm not getting in. So this one would have been a short trade on August 5th. Let's see in a month from now where this one will be and if that one would have been a good trade. I might take that one. We'll see. Great info, Bookie. Thank you, sir. TLT. TLT, yeah, going up. We're in some big resistance here, guys. 144 will be your number. 142 as well. 140 as well. Not 142 as well. 140 as well. Look at that launch. But it's starting to get a little stretched from the 20 MA. I don't give a shit what time frame. I don't care what stock it is. You start getting stretched from the 20 MA. That's what you got to watch for. But this one might have more. We got a lot of shit going on, guys. We got markets tanking. We got this going on. We got that going on. Just got to be real careful. Okay, you taking positions in this one, guys? Just go small. Slow and steady. All right, I'm going to pull off all my everything else. Let's see if my stream goes up here. Yeah, it's still medium health, which is ridiculous. I'm going to have to see what that is. All right, so great TLT. Yeah, just be careful with this one. It's going, right for that high again. We got a gap fill at 141. Let's see how that reacts. If it doesn't, then it's probably going to go to 150. And then maybe we'll short this one. We'll see. But yeah, gold's flying. This is flying. Dollar. Where's the dollar right now? Dollar's UUP. Flying. Pulled back today, though. They're in there. Central banks are like, wait a minute. What are you guys doing? We're the only ones that can manipulate currency. Like this here. This went flying up. Gas went flying down. QE3 ended. Gas was at the lows. Back in, 2015 or whatever. It's just like, oh my gosh, what a flipping scam. Unbelievable, guys. So TLT, double top. Let's see what it does. I mean, if it blasts through there, guys, I think, that's a UUP. If the dollar blasts through there, guys, we're going right here. Dollar's going to freaking take everything down. That's it. Let's look at the TLT. Yeah, so that goes, man. Yeah, 150. 143, it's 140, 143, 150. And if it get above that, God knows. Let's see, is there anything else back here? No, look at that. Woo, it's really taking off now, guys. So we'll see what happens. TBT. Yeah, that's same thing. I think, isn't that the opposite to the TLT? Is that what that is? Yeah, at the basement. So maybe it's a bottom feeder. So yeah, hey Boogie TBT call soon. Maybe. Is that the opposite to the TLT? Right? I mean, that's a guess. I don't know. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a long day, guys. Let me see something here, though. Okay, he's in here. All right. All right, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, TBT. Is that what that is, Perry? Yeah, the opposite. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, if you want to, not yet. Let's see if we go a little bit lower. The TLT gets to this 144, 150. Let's give it a shot there. I mean, it's in a pretty good area now, but let's see if we can squeeze a little bit more on this one to buy this. Let's try to be real. I mean, because that little move here, I mean, we were at 42. It brought it to 26, all right? So if the TLT makes another move up here, 26 is going to 20. Wouldn't 20 be a little bit better than 26? I mean, and you know, it's not, hey, we're not in a rush to do anything right now. Markets are flipping nuts right now. So just kind of take a deep breath. Maybe Elon 420 it, maybe, right? And yeah, take a breather because Perry's with us at StockBookie. He knows we've been kicking ass, taking names. So let's not give it back. You know, a little if we have to, a little bit here and there, like the calls today that went straight to zero. Guys, we have losing trades, but when we do lose, we go small. Total counter trend trading, lotto, just in case they push it up. But we were still short shares, overall indexes, so we're still making money. Just kind of a small hedge to try to get in, try to get out, and make money, guys. That's what we're trying to do here. Let's see here. Hurry, yeah, you like, hurry. All right, hold on here. Dollar Tree recession stock. Yeah, maybe. We'll see with Dollar Tree. But just going up and down with the markets. Yes, sir. Great calls, yeah. The SPY is in a slingshot downwards. Think it has any bounces? Maybe. Watch the video tonight. I got some areas for us in that. But at this point, let it go down. We'll know. And if we miss a little bit, I got to see volume. I got to see how it falls. I got to see a little bit more, you know, with a couple other things I look at too. But yeah, right now it's in a free fall. But I don't have the futures up, so let me look at CNBC. Flying over green right now, guys. Let's see. 199 down, but this is a little bit delayed. 21 on the S&P. So not terrible. But yeah, just be careful. Who knows? They could rug pull it tonight again and just we could wake up 1,000 down and things tanking. But I think it's going to get to the point the plunge protection team's going to come out and Jerome's going to have to do something at this point. So we'll see. Freaking hilarious, Bucky. Yeah, right. It's by a slingshot. Yep, might be OTC, IAN, and oh, Canadian. Yeah, that's what it is. Yes. Yeah, I don't get the Canadian stuff. I'm not going to pay for those. Hurry, Frankie, hurry, right? Well, that's what they're doing. And then why is it like the TLT, they'll bring on the chart master on CNBC. He'll be like, well, this thing's about to break out. But why weren't you telling people to buy down here on support? Kind of broke it, but then it popped right back up. As long as it held this line down here, kind of shook people out here. Held it, slingshot right up. I mean, that's the head fake, guys. Like right here. They get everyone on board. Come on, let's go. It's oh my gosh, this is the next best trade ever. And then bam. Then it goes back up and everyone's like, thank God. So it keeps them in it. It's like, all right, just a little more now. And then they slam it to them again. And as it's going down here, now this guy who bought all in here, they got to sell down here. And then they see it go up and they're like, son of a bitch. And now they're chasing it up here. That was me, guys, 12 years ago. But at least I took a small usually. And I had a decent size account. And that's where I got to the point. I was like, all right, hold on a minute here. I'm done chasing this crap. I'm done doing this stuff. Did okay because the markets went up. So it was like, you know, as a trader in a bull market, guys, you just buy a dip and it just keeps going. That's how it was. But now you get markets like this. Everyone's lost. This is where I shine. This is where we've been adding these high flyers. And some are brutal. Don't get me wrong, guys. But, man, when they all start coming in, and it's just like last December, it was like, damn. I think we had 80-something trades with 2 losers and all high flyers. It was epic. And then we're doing the same damn thing we're doing now. So, thanks I sent it to you. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, if you only play counter trend, you got to give yourself enough room. They like to squeeze. Yeah, you know what we did? We did options that expired today. It was like put a couple $100 out there, give it a shot. But after you have 60 something winners with a couple losers, it's like, all right, I could put a couple, I could put a couple grand out there. But I even went smaller. It's like, you know what? I'm short shares, riding this thing down, having fun. Let's see if we get a couple quick bounces, especially around lunchtime too. And man, they did not give us anything today. Quick bounce and then more flushing. Quick bounce, more flushing. We were in a confirming downtrend today. So that was going against us. But we usually get that one pop, and man, they didn't give a shit this time. ES holding the 200. Yeah, highly oversold. Yeah, it is oversold, definitely. But yeah, gosh, we have a little more. We got a little more down below. A little bit more. Yeah, CNBC said so. You like that, Frankie? Out. Let's see here. Yeah, you got you get the squeeze or whatever. Yeah, you got to give yourself room, or just go small. I mean, you're going to expire options that expire same day. You better hit that damn trade, and we do. But this one, I mean, it was stepping in front of a freight train, so that's why it's like lotto trade. Let's try it, and it just didn't work. Our Netflix trade did though, but it's gonna be. We got a little time on that one. We'll have to see what that does. All right, match earnings soon. Gotta wait. Yeah, this is another one, but not really. I mean, if we get another bloodbath in the next couple of days, these are all another one. Look, it's just a high flipping flyer. Again, it's match. Hurry. It should go higher. That's what they said. Then they double upgraded, buybacks. Guy comes out on CNBC. Oh, I've been following this one for years. It should go to at least 130. And then it's down here to like 36, and it's like, hey, bring on that asshole again. Let's see what's going on. Let's talk to Paul from ABC Capital. Gave this thing 120 price target. And then they just have a big hand out there, slap the guy. Hey, Paul, crack. Bad move, dum-dum. So. But unbelievable, though. Look at these moves. And it's all because the markets just keep going up. The rug pull's coming, guys. And if this... I don't want to show you too. I can't... The spy's for my members, guys. Sorry. And you guys know, if you watch the daily video, you know what's up. But yeah, just let it fall. 50 bucks is the price target right now. SPY keeps going. It might even go lower. So watch for that one. Let's see here. Match. Thanks. Let's see how it reacts. Yeah, you got to just let these markets settle down, guys. Opposite, yes. Any more good high flyers? Shop was a good one. CMG's coming in, but I think that's still a good one. That 524 is the price target. Another one, guys. It goes from 247 to 800. Hello, something's wrong here. CMG. Gosh, what were some of the other ones? TTD. AMT, I think, was another one. That's a good one. Bunch of them. Just pull out the monthly charts, and if they look anything like, I'll go to the other one that D pulled up, FOCO. If it looks anything like that, guys, you got to get interested. Or you can wait, look where earnings is, because if it pops, then it'll give you a better entry. But if earnings are coming up, you get interested in this one. Say you do a quarter position. If it pops, you add a little bit more and then hold. Hold a cash only. Don't do margin on these. Puts are tough. Unless I get a signal on the SPY, then we're gonna we're gonna do some put positions on these guys. So members, be ready for that. We're gonna load that up. If we get a good signal on the SPY and the IWM, we're gonna pick on these guys with puts as well. All right, so be ready for those. But yeah, I mean, there's a bunch of them. Alta we took that one off, and of course, it fell today again. But this was a great one too. We double dipped this one. Went up, covered some, short again, covered, out, and of course, we're in a pretty good support here. But again, if these go up, I'm going to be shorting a lot of these. Only lunch money lost. We killed the last 2 weeks. Yeah, that's why. If you can't lose, Damien. Who else is in there? Blake, Perry. Who else is in the room here? Chris. Who else? There's a couple other guys too. John, I think he was in there. I don't know. Eric, I think you're in there. Finra. I don't know if you ever joined. Ashton's in the room, but you guys know. I try to keep you guys as safe as I can. You know, sometimes you got to take a shot. You know me. If it's the stock of the year, yeah. Yeah, remember that stock of the year? Oh. Yeah, stock of the friggin'. Then well, they got it all hyped. So everyone got complacent, didn't think it was ever going down. And I was the only guy out there going, it's going to 125. Everyone's like, you're an idiot. I was like, all right, we'll see. And really, NVIDIA, it wasn't like brain surgery. Or I wasn't studying this thing like, oh my gosh, I'm looking at this every day. Let's see what it does. No, it's just a 20 MA. When we were flying, this thing was down in here. When we were like right here, this was the price target, about 125. And of course, it went up with it. And as soon as it goes up, it's really the 50 MA. And then the other one is the 200 MA, which we finally hit. But look at that. And that was my other price target. So as this thing was flying, that's why I was telling everyone 120. It came pretty damn close. And I still had some traders, no, your call was bad. You didn't hit 120. I was like, you're a moron. Block. That's what I had two guys saying. Just trolls. That was a terrible call. Not even close to 120. I was like, huh? Are you looking at the same effing stock, you moron? Yeah, it's like a triple D, It's like unbelievable. So, what else here? What's up, Casey? How's it going, buddy? Yeah, I'm almost done, guys. I've had enough fun today. How do I become a member? Just go to StockBookie.com. Sign up. It's $30 a month. We've been flipping, killing it, guys. Killing it. We took off so many trades today. Here's some of the trades we took off today. Let me look. I just sent something to a friend saying, hey, we were good today. And we'll look at all of them too real quick before we go. Let me see. I was just talking to some other traders. And I was like, I don't care if this thing freaking tanks to no tomorrow. I got so many trades out there that I'm ready to roll. I've been adding for a little while, guys. As this thing's been going up, I've been adding high flyers, everything. Oh, there they are. So we covered Exis, Twitter, Autodesk, HRC, covered half on HAS, DE, KMX, IBB, Anthem, PEP, Autodesk. We had that one short. That one kind of got us too. But lo and behold, tank going. This one went up, came in, retraced, tank. And these are all going a lot lower. But for me, guys, I'm in and out. I want the money. I don't care. Let's see. Paul from ABC. Yeah, exactly. You like that? Well, that's how it is. We're talking to Paul from ABC Capital. What do you think, Paul? Well, Autodesk, I think buy the dip. I think it was great right here. Or when it's at 180, the all-time high, they're like, yeah, I think it's a 220 price target. And it's like, huh? It's like, have you looked at this one, Paul? I mean, really, have you looked at this one? It was a $42 stock at 180 2 years later. Come on. And now we're holding what? Look at the monthly. Where are we? Why did I take that trade off? 20 MA. Let's retrace it up again. I'm going to short it again. That's what I'm going to do. I don't care. Let's do this, right? You like that stuff, huh? Then I bring in, hey, and then I don't know. Did they bring out Warren Buffett today? That's what one of my friends texted me. It's like, dude, they got Buffett out. I was like, oh my God. Becky, right? I want Raj. Where's Carmela? We have a lot of fun. Starbucks, yeah, Starbucks, TXN, yep, all those right there. Orly, perfect. Beyond, another one. Oh, we killed it with some puts in this one. Shit, twice. Another one, just stay away. It held pretty good though, let me tell you. A little bit down after hours. The market still sells. This one's going a lot lower, guys. Beyond's going to be right down here. Everyone's going to be beyond themselves. I can't believe it. It's $45. And don't turn an epic long trade into a piece of shit. Please don't do that. I've heard of too many stories. I know, Bookie, you told me to sell at 200, but I'm at 120 now, and my average price is still around 80. So I'm still up a little bit. It's like, dude, you got it at 80 and it was at 240 and you weren't selling? Come on. Come on. So, sometimes you deserve to be bitch slapped. And that's just the way it is sometimes. But it is holding that trend line. We talked about the trend line in my last couple videos. Holding it strong. So watch for that. I got to do more of these live streams. I like doing these. These are fun. And then you might get, active people looking at stuff. But yeah, it's holding. We'll see what happens. I mean, it's beyond. And next thing you know, they're giving it a triple upgrade. And I don't even know if they can do buybacks yet. But if they can, I'm sure they'll throw that out there too. Yeah. And that's the thing, guys. All these companies doing buybacks are just investing in themselves. They're not investing in the economy, nothing. So I'm not really sure how this economy is just blowing up other than the Fed just pumping the shit out of it. Just be very careful. These are staircase up, elevator down moments. And when they pull the flipping plug, we could drop another 10% with our eyes closed. And then the PPT's coming out, their breakers are hitting, and everyone's like, ugh. And that's when CNBC comes out and goes, markets in turmoil tonight at 7. We're going to bring Jim Cramer on, Warren Buffett with Becky Quick. We're going to, Becky, sit on his lap and make it look good, right? Make you get some lipstick on, too. Not you, Mr. Buffett, but Becky. Right? Buffett's like, yeah, lipstick? Okay, I guess I could do that. Becky's going to be on my lap. So, yeah, stuff like that. Got my wife crazy now. Kids are crazy. Oh, my gosh, school tomorrow. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna cut it, guys. They're going to school and stuff. I got to be there. He's not lying, bookie. Kills it for $30. You learn a lot as well. Yeah, learn how to play the market up and down. Oh, yeah, we play the market up and down. Give a shit, guys. Long or short, don't care. Freaking Paul, you like that? What do we get with the membership? You get we do some live streams, mostly just a Twitter feed. Twitter feed, all my stuff. I do nightly videos. I give out some trades, but just killing trades, guys. That's what you're mostly getting for the $30. My kids are getting crazy again. All right, I'm gonna cut this here, guys. Hey, sorry, it tells me I'm a member, but chat was never added to my Discord. Yeah, you know what? Hey, sorry, it tells me I am a member, but the chat was never added to my Discord. I don't. I just the chat. I don't have it. It's just all on my Twitter feed, guys. That's it. And then I have a position sheet. The live streams I go here and there. I think I'm going to do a little bit more coming up. They just beat the shit out of me. Especially when I'm in all these positions and the markets are railing like today. I got to be on my game, guys. I got a lot of money out there in these markets. I gotta service my shit first, especially when I miss something's bottoming out and I miss it from a short and I come back and it's $10 higher. All right, the hounds are out. You're gonna start hearing shit going down. Best traders are the best. Yeah, I don't care. Like I said, long or short, guys, I don't give a shit. 80 to 240, it's long term. Yeah, right. Yes, our next as a member. Yeah, no, the members just get the live stream or the Twitter feed and with my trades, and then I do a daily video, a weekend update, just telling you guys where the SPY is. But for the most part, I pop in live here and there. I'm gonna do them more, like I said, but man, telling you 5 hours live, it just beats the hell out of me, especially in days like today. And I have. It makes it really interesting, guys. It's almost easier not to trade or do anything, but I want to make money too, so I'm popping in every trade I take out there, guys, or post, I am in. I do not mess around. I don't play games, and that's it. Bottom line, I'm in every one, and it lighter, heavier, whatever. That's why everything. Here, let me go to my Twitter feed, just to show you guys. Oops, just to show you before I take off here. Here's one of my, let's just go here. And I try to keep everything tied together, especially my intraday stuff. That's why I'm going back to next week. I had a call trade today that went south, but it was just a lotto. Let's give it a shot, see if we reverse. We covered half shares in PayPal, IBB, EXAS, Deere, HAS, HRC today. KMX, Twitter, Autodesk. Those are some of the trades we took off today. Yeah, the calls, that was closed. Dang, what's a good one I could show you? That's just easy to follow. No, I'm just trying. I got so many posts, guys. Well, here's one. We could do this one. This was a rinse and repeat on Friday. Let's pull it in here. Bought lotto calls 46. We had a little bit at 39. We took them off at We took some off at, gosh, it was 61. I don't know why that trade's not showing there, but we took some off at 61. We added, took some off again. We bought some more. We bought some more. We took it off at 84. So we did this trade 3 times, all from an average price right around that 40-ish area, 42, depending. This one was a little bit better. The last one we got at 44 and 36, so right about 40. That went to 84, guys. So we had 100% on that last one. But the other one, still, you go from, I think this one was right around 35 maybe, but 35 to 70. Another one, guys. And that was just the same day. Then 46 and 39. Average price was right around 44 on this one, 43. This one we pulled off at 61. So that was 3 trades in a row on one. So that one call trade we lost on today, I don't give a shit. It means nothing to me. I mean, it sucks. It was a night out, at the strip club. No, I'm kidding. It was a night out at the strip club, right? No, but I sent friend request here. All right, did you sign up too? You got to sign up. You can't come on Twitter without you being a member. Or are you a member? Are you a member, C? And if you are, which are you? Bookie got the dem skim in the game. Ain't no fucking around. Yeah, thanks, brother. I think so. Are you a paid member? I don't remember seeing you. Let's see. Are you in there? I got two requests. Yeah, I see you in there, but yeah, you got to be a paid member to become on the Twitter feed. I don't know if you are or not. I send out emails saying, "Hey, give me your Twitter feed. Let me know your email. I could check you out or whatever." If you signed up, just send me. Oh wait, here. Did you sign up? Yeah, you got to pay though. Nothing's free in life, guys. Yeah, you only checked out for a free membership, brother. That was back in May. That was it. But yeah, if you want to get in there, man. We've been kicking ass, taking names. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Oh, my gosh. I got some crazy people. All right, I don't see a link to pay. Yeah, and when you sign up, it's there. There's a free membership, and then there's a paid one. I'll sign up, Bookie. I like that VTR. I tried to pay. Yeah, I went to the site and registered. Yeah, just go. Yeah, it's on there. Here, let's see here before I roll it. StockBookie. Here. Got to go down here. And then let's see here. Register. So if you put all your names in there and stuff, you have the free one. And then I think you could change it here. Yeah, there you go. You change it, then you got the level with the price, and you select actually right there. Once you select that, that will set up the automatic pay and all that stuff, and then you're ready to roll. So if you're a free membership, you got to go membership levels and then click the $30. But that's how, if you go register, it's all under there. And just change that one there. Put it all in there and rock and roll, baby. We've been, oh my gosh, we've been tearing it up. A lot of calls, but those, yeah, I can't show too much on this one. So I'll keep you in there, but as soon as you get in there, I'm not here like, give me your money. I don't, guys, I make a shitload of money in the markets. I could give a shit either way, but I like to teach people. It's fun when you're winning, guys, and when people are winning, it's really good. You know, I mean, the high flyers, I got a couple members are getting beat down a little bit on those, but they're learning a lesson. It's a hard lesson. You got to go small with those trades. All right, so, all right, guys, I'm out. All hell is breaking loose here. I got to help my kids get ready for school and all that stuff tomorrow. So, all right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Really do appreciate it. And I don't even know how to stop this thing anymore. So, all right, guys, have a great night. God bless. See you on the charts. Let's see if we can rip up this market tomorrow and make some money. All right, guys, take care.